Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, for match 6 of Credicon Mavericks versus the Terramore Titans. Mixed doubles is your last match of the day. So the state of play today has been that the Mavericks have 3 games in their pocket. The Terramore Titans have won 2 of their games. So this is their do or die. They have it all to do here. They will have to win this game to force the game breaker. So from the Mavericks, we have Ishita, Raju and Shrikar. Shrikar is the icon player and captain of the Mavericks. And from the Titans, we have the Terramore Titans, we have Nikhil and Devika. Nikhil being the captain of the Terramore Titans. So it is the battle of the icons here, and what a finale we have in our hands. The Titans have it all to do. The Mavericks would like to close it off right here, not take the risk of the game breaker, but we'll see how it goes.
Absolutely. The Credicon Mavericks, Shrikar and Ishita want to close it out, not let Nikhil and Devika grow into the game. We're all set for the start here of match number 6. Ishita makes an error straight away. And Nikhil and Devika. Devika serve. What a shot from Nikhil there. Very good shot from Nikhil. Gets on the serve and the points as well.
Shrikar coming in aggressively for his net play, but just hits that long, awards a point to the Terramore Titans, who are now leading 2-1 second serve. And he has served that long. He served that long, gifted his break away ball with the Mavericks.
The Terramore Titans would need to make a match out of this. They want to win this. They will want to force the game breaker and ace the game breaker as well. But Mavericks would not want to leave it till there. The Credicon Mavericks. They did very well after losing the first men's doubles. Picked up 3 wins on the trot. That has put them in a very good position.
And what's fascinating is both the captains are on the court. The center of the strategy for both teams are playing this match. Obviously, the Credicon Mavericks want to close it out, and the Terramore Titans have to win this to force a tiebreaker.
It's good to see the captains leading from the front. They're here. We are out there. We are here to save our team. We are here to play for our teams. Credicon Mavericks on the second serve. Shrikar sending the ball out. Long.
Good absorption of pressure there by Shrikar, but Nikhil had picked his spots, picked his shots, and was able to see the point off. Terramore Titans first serve 2-1.
Terramore Titans slowly growing into this game. Credicon Mavericks is Ishita Raju. Looks little unfazed as well. She knows it's just a 2-point lead, and she knows that they can always go ahead and crawl back, get those points on the board that they need. It's unperturbed at this point, and just like that, Credicon Mavericks get their serve after 2 errors at the net by the Teramo Titans. They need to make this count. They want to leave it too late as well.
Nikhil controlling that point through and through so beautifully. He moved the ball around when needed, when he needed to give a break in momentum, and then went right back to Ishita. So he controlled that point through and through. What a technically sound performance.
Second point on the board for the Credicon Mavericks. And the second serve just goes out. So 3-all. They've drawn level. They would need more of this here. The motivation levels are also good between Shrikar and Ishita Raju. Good shot from Ishita. Again, good one from Shrikar as well. Placed it well, and Nikhil only finds the net out there. It was a too narrow angle. The ball was also dipping in. And Credicon Mavericks have taken a lead here at 4-3.
What an incredibly risky angled drop shot there by Shrikar. But it came out, not this instance though, puts it just wide. Served back with the Teramo Titans, who are now serving at 3-4.
Nikhil on serve. Good block by Ishita. Well played by Ishita as well. Shrikar on this occasion doing it really well. And it's gone out. It's exactly what the Credicon Mavericks are looking at. They want Teramo Titans to make those errors. They're sure that they can go ahead and find those winners from time to time. Again at the net, yes, there it is. That is exactly what the Credicon Mavericks are looking at. We want Teramo Titans to make those errors, and they're forcing them to make errors as well.
And I think it's also almost a battle of very strategic minds. Shrikar and Nikhil both have very strategic minds, constantly calculating. Right now, I think Nikhil's making a couple more unforced errors, but that's just all that's separating the two teams currently.
I do think that after having lost 4 or I think nearly 5 points in a row, it is time for the Titans to understand the importance of the match and maybe calibrate again, because the Mavericks are turning the heat up here. They're leading 6-3 still on this first serve. They're not holding back at all.
The Teramo Titans need to win this, as we've been repeatedly saying, to force that dream breaker. But looks like it is the Credicon Mavericks are in no mood to give this match away to the Teramo Titans. They want to go ahead and win this at 4-2. As we speak. Credicon Mavericks on their first shot. Very good shot from Shrikar. Make it 8-3. Smash there. That was waiting to come. And extremely well dished out. There was, in fact, a call there, which had distracted the players.
Side change. I think also while we've spoken about Nikhil and Shrikar, Sindhura and Ishita are really turning up and providing that right support as well.
The Credicon Mavericks are coming in hot here. They're not leaving any stone unturned. They're aggressive, they're decisive. A rare unforced error there from Ishita, but otherwise they're taking this match to the Titans, and currently the Teramo Titans are without answers. Two back-to-back unforced errors from the Credicon Mavericks means Teramo Titans now have the serve at 3-9. They do have a mountain to climb here, but nothing they haven't done before. But Shrikar, with his angle drop shots, is in a different form in this match. He started his day with a loss, might not have been very happy with that, but this match, he's turned up, his shots have turned up, incredible shot selection, incredible execution, and the Mavericks have broken the Teramo Titans right back, serving at 9-3. They would like to close it at a 4-2 this tie.
Brilliantly done there by Sindhura. She was able to change that momentum, get that dink in to Ishita, who got that error in.
The Titans are consistently breaking the Credicon Mavericks, but it is important for them to also string a few points for themselves to sort of progress in this tie.
Absolutely, and just does not work with the breakup serve. But 3 points in a row, 3 times in a row, the Credicon Mavericks have found the net. Most of it have come from Ishita Raju's paddle. Beautiful shot there from Nikhil. Very well
Aggressive
played.
down the
What
line.
a shot.
Incredible from the captain of the Teramo Titans.
I think that's also a signature Nikhil shot at this point in mixed doubles. If you see his previous matches, I think he got lots of points on that. But obviously, Shrikar's on the other side, so he's not going to go down without fight.
This is an extremely hard-fought battle between both the captains, but the ladies are holding their own as well, both Ishita and Sindhura. Really turning up with their shots. And ladies and gentlemen, it's, I want to say 12-20 here, and the crowd is going at it as well. What an atmosphere, what a league we're having here, what a Friday evening. And the Credicon Mavericks first serve, serving at 10-5.
5 points away from wrapping this up. Now the Credicon Mavericks been on top of the leaderboard. Now the Chargers have momentarily overtook them, and they look all set to take that top position in the leaderboard again. Sindhura this time not able to send the ball past the net. Running forehand shot is what she tried. Nikhil this time, it's an error. 12 for the Credicon Mavericks, and they are just 3 points away from acing this contest.
And that's a timeout strategically called by the Teramo Titans. They need to calibrate here.
Back in resumption after a small timeout. Shrikar is on a different level altogether. Timeout has done no good so far for the Teramo Titans.
Match point to the Credicon Mavericks. They're on their first serve, so they have 2 opportunities to close this out.
Match point and the tie point as well.
It's like they'll need their second one.
Shrikar just delaying that inevitable out there. Straight onto the net. 14-5, second serve. Ideally want to close it at this point here. She wasn't audible enough, I think, for the referees or for anybody to stop the contest. Game continues. Teramo Titans on serve. And Shrikar gets an opportunity to smash it and smashes it well. Second serve for the Teramo Titans.
I'd say slight tactical error there by Nikhil. He went to Shrikar, who is an amazing master dinker, and he had another option there. Amazing pressure kept by Shrikar, leaning in front, putting that pressure, taking those balls in the air instead of letting them bounce.
Right, back at 2 match points for the Credicon Mavericks. Can we see it out now? And that's long, and they do see it out at 4-2. What an incredible scoreline this has been, 15-5. The Credicon Mavericks win their tie against the Teramo Titans. They have been the team to beat this season, and they have remained unbeaten yet again. 3 times out of 3. Teams have come and teams have fallen. The Mavericks have reigned.